This conference will now be recorded.
Hi all. So this is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Pvt Ltd, Bangalore, Marathali, opposite of KLM Mall. So this Nandini Software Solutions Pvt Ltd is a IT software online and classroom training center. We are providing the multiple technologies from my institute, like ETL tools. Like we're teaching mainly focusing on ETL tools like Azure Data Factory and Databricks, Talend ETL tool, IBM Datastage, and the Snowflake, Python testing. Okay, so if you're interested to learn any technology, you done BE, BTech, MTech, BSc, any graduation, still you are looking for a job, try to join Nandini Software, learn any technology, try to get the good job with guys. Now, highlights of this training institute is like we're providing the each class recording, so interactive both offline and online classes. After class is done, we're providing the recording video. We're covering the real-time scenarios, materials. We are providing resume preparation, mock interviews, doubts and clarification, interview questions and answers. We're explaining. Okay, so let me. What are the technologies we are going to start from this month? Let me explain it, guys. So assume that. So so Talent ETL tool is going to start from tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. If you're interested to learn Talent ETL tool, reach out this number. Okay, so along with we're going to start from IBM Datastage ETL tool. The IBM Datastage ETL tool new batch is going to start from March 20th. So IBM Datastage ETL tool new batch is going to start from March 20th at morning 7:45 a.m. If you're interested to learn IBM Datastage, reach out these numbers. So along with we're going to start from one more technology like Python testing tomorrow. If you're interested to learn Python, so reach out this number, Python automation testing. It is going to start from tomorrow, March 14th at 2024, morning at morning at 8 a.m. Okay. So along with we're going to start from Snowflake soon, along with the Azure Data Factory. We're going to start from new batch from May 2nd May at morning 7:15 a.m. from Nandini Software Solutions Pvt Ltd. So along with we're going to start one more technology like Azure Devops. Azure Devops, we're going to start from online and the classroom training. So new batch is going to start from 20th March 2024 at morning 9:30 a.m. So reach out these numbers, guys, if you're interested to learn any software courses. Thank you. Thank you so much.